Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, May 14th. Well, quite a few similarities between this week and last week. For example, the first half of last week was quite unsettled, and then the second half of the week was quite pleasant. Same thing will happen this week. It looks like the first half of the week, right through Wednesday, will be quite unsettled, but then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, it'll look quite nice. The difference is this week contains a threat for heavy rain. We did not really have that kind of a threat last week, even though it was unsettled for the first few days of the week. But there is certainly a threat for some heavy rain here in the Mid-Atlantic region, especially tonight and tomorrow. And by the time Wednesday morning rolls around, many parts of the Mid-Atlantic could have 2 or more inches of rain from a slow-moving storm system that, just like last week, will ride up along a stalled-out cold front. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. And here's kind of a cold frontal system that's starting to fall apart and kind of stalling out here across the Mid-Atlantic region. Meanwhile, low pressure is developing and strengthening here down in the southeastern states. This again is kind of a similar setup that we had last week. This low will take its time and ride right up along this boundary zone over the next 24 hours or so, and it looks like there certainly will be some heavy rain included in this particular setup, especially tonight and tomorrow, and that could include a couple of heavy thunderstorms along the way. Here's a current radar loop, and really it's kind of quite a juicy atmosphere already. Lots of heavy rain from West Virginia down across the western part of Virginia into western North Carolina. All of this stuff is moving northeast, and already occasional showers have broken out here across the Washington, D.C. and Philadelphia region. But the heaviest rain is just on the doorstep, probably poised for tonight and part of tomorrow. And again, by the time tomorrow night and Wednesday morning roll around, there could be 2 inches of rain, especially just on the western side of the big cities here, from Washington across Baltimore, Philadelphia, and even up across the just west of the New York City region. So again, a soaking rain event is on its way. There'll be some occasional showers today, but the heaviest rain is probably destined for tonight and Tuesday. Here's the latest IR composite satellite loop from the SSEC University of Wisconsin website, and quite a impressive development here of the high clouds associated with some of these embedded thunderstorms, again from West Virginia down across western Virginia and western North Carolina. This is the development area that we are looking at here in the Mid-Atlantic region from along the I-95 corridor, as everything is moving from the southwest to the northeast. Here's where our heavy rain is coming from over the next 12 hours or so. Again, the best chance of that is tonight and tomorrow, and it could be a soaker with up to 2 inches or more by the time Wednesday morning rolls around. There's lots of clear skies here in the middle of the country. Like last week, that'll move into the east during the second half of the week. And again, right now it looks like Thursday, Friday, and Saturday look quite nice here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Let's take a look at last night's Zero-Z GFS computer forecast run. We'll look at tonight, tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow night as we kind of break down this next 24 hours. That will include some heavy rain. And there's quite a depiction of precipitation here right up and down the I-95 corridor by the time tonight rolls around. And some of this heavy rain is what we're seeing right now across West Virginia and the western part of Virginia and North Carolina. That'll head into the I-95 corridor late this afternoon or early this evening. And again, the rain will fall quite heavily at times tonight and tomorrow. Here's the GFS computer forecast map for tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. And one of the factors contributing to the potential for quite a soaking rain event here in the Mid-Atlantic region is that everything is moving quite slowly. It's a stalled out frontal system, and here by tomorrow morning the precipitation pattern doesn't change a heck of a lot from tonight's predicted model run, in that there's quite a soaker here right along the I-95 corridor. If we go 12 hours ahead to Tuesday night, and here it is, the Tuesday night forecast, still see quite a bit of precipitation right up and down the I-95 corridor here as things are slow to move out of here. The threat of showers and thunderstorms will continue on Wednesday as well, although there can be some sunshine on Wednesday. We really don't clear out here until about Thursday. And again, at that point, it looks like Thursday, Friday, and Saturday look quite nice. But a heavy rain event, especially tonight and tomorrow, for the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, for the SIweather.com, I'm the SI Meteorologist.